haven't had a Korean barbecue yet. Sure, I've had it in London and in Nottingham and in other cities, but come on, I'm in Korea and I haven't had a Korean barbecue. So, for those of you who haven't had a Korean barbecue, let me show you how it's done. You get a leaf, you get your meat. So we're here in Jeju. Jeju's famous for its pork. You get different types of pork. So I'm going to choose some meat here, put some salt on it, maybe grab some chili, line the leaf with some chili. If you imagine getting a duck pancake back in England, you put the hoisin sauce on the rice pancake, you put the duck on it. Same principle, different ingredients. No meat pancake, instead you've got a green leaf. No hoisin sauce, instead you've got a garlicky chili sauce. And no duck, instead you've got pork. Let's grab some of this pork here. Oh, let's dip it in a dipping sauce first of all. And let's grab one more little piece. How about some garlic? And we'll dip that in some salt. Let's grab another piece. What we've got a leaf with some chili, with some of this sweet sauce, with 2 bits of pork and some grilled garlic. And to do it proper Korean style, you've got to wrap the whole thing up into a tiny little leafy pancakey package, and it goes in all at once. Hits you so hard.
I told you.
Wow. That flavour hits you incredibly hard. I don't know what kind of salt this is, with little black bits in it, but what on earth that is. That has got some power in it. The chili, as we've mentioned, is garlicky, and with some garlic next to it, really brings out the flavour that's already in the chili. The pork, we had a mixture of pork belly, pork neck, pork steak, the leg, the back. For me, I can't remember which part I just ate, but it's not too porky, it's quite flavoursome. The pork in Jeju really is deserving of its renown. It is tasty. And we had some kimchi flavours that dripped off the kimchi that we were cooking with, and some oil with some green leaves in it, so that's contributed some flavour too. This sweet sauce adds a nice sweet finish. The leaf is cool and crunchy. Overall, I can't even begin to explain the flavours. Salt, spice, garlic, the meat, juicy, fragrant, the leaf, crispy, fresh, salty. It just, every part of my tongue, all of my taste buds, all my different taste senses were on fire. That was an incredible mouthful of Korean barbecue. Get yourselves to Korea and try some of this. Okay, so we've just come back from exploring a marine aquarium with all the local fish, sea life, and fish and marine life. And we worked up an appetite, and now we're actually going to eat some local seafood. So I got very excited as an Englishman when I saw a sign saying fish and chips. But the catch is the fish is different here compared to back in England. Back in England you'd have cod or pollock or haddock. Over here we have John Dory, a local fish. Resembles cod, very white flesh. And we also have shark, a local shark, which is a dirtier coloured meat. So let's try both and let you know what I think. Tartar sauce. Okay, so John Dory, identical to any white flaky fish like cod or haddock or pollock. Minimal fishy taste, very clean, very soft, very flaky, nice crunchy batter, delightful. Definitely like the fish and chips of back home. Shark. Bit of tartar sauce, I've got a bit of lemon on it already. Much thicker, heavier meat. similar in texture to tuna. It doesn't disintegrate in your mouth like the John Dory. It does hang around. It's almost got, I know musk is a smell, but it's got like a muskier flavour. You feel like you're eating a carnivore, if that makes sense. It's a heavy meat. Honestly, the John Dory is easier and lighter to eat, but the shark has more flavour. So 100% for me, the shark is the winner. What a great English dish in the middle of a Korean island. Fantastic.